M1A2 Abrams 2026, the ultimate evolution of America's battle tank. It was already the most feared tank on the battlefield. Now in 2026, the M1A2 Abrams has evolved into an unstoppable force of high-tech destruction. The legendary M1A2 Abrams has long been the backbone of American armored dominance. But in 2026, it receives a transformative upgrade, turning this battlefield icon into a next-generation networked war machine. With a 1,500 horsepower gas turbine engine and enhanced hybrid electric drive assist, the Abrams 2026 achieves better fuel economy and quieter movement, essential in stealth operations. Its advanced armor now includes modular composite plating, explosive reactive armor (ERA), and active protection systems (APS) to intercept incoming projectiles and drones. The tank's firepower has been elevated. The 120mm XM360 cannon, lighter and more powerful than its predecessor, is now paired with programmable airburst munitions, top attack anti-armor shells, multi-target smart tracking fire control system. Inside, the Abrams is smarter than ever. The AI-assisted battle management system syncs with UAVs, infantry units, and satellite feeds in real time. Soldiers inside benefit from augmented reality (AR) HUD for targeting, 360 degrees camera situational awareness, secure battlefield communication interface. Crew comfort and survivability have also improved with climate-controlled cabin, blast-resistant seats, autonomous drive features for convoy support. Deployed in Eastern Europe, the Indo-Pacific, and urban defense scenarios, the Abrams 2026 has become the ideal blend of brute force, digital intelligence, and future readiness. This isn't just a tank, it's a moving fortress. As warfare gets smarter, faster, and deadlier, the M1A2 Abrams 2026 remains the ultimate symbol of armored supremacy, ready for the battles of tomorrow.